You're trying to describe your perfect dream house to an architect. If you only say, make it big and beautiful, you're likely to end up with something that doesn't match your style or your needs. But if you specify a modern minimalist home with large windows, natural light, and a neutral color palette, the architect can get much closer to your true vision. The same principle applies when communicating with AI models. Without the right words, without enough detail, the tool doesn't have the direction it needs to produce something you'll love. Still, many creators experience disappointment when the resulting visuals lack the flair, the personality, or the exact feel they were hoping for. Often, this happens not because the AI is incapable, but because it wasn't given the precise visual cues necessary to do its best work. It's like giving a painter an extremely vague brief and expecting a masterpiece. Would they know if you prefer impressionist brushstrokes or pop art boldness? Whether you crave bright, playful colors or moody, atmospheric tones? If we don't say it, the AI can guess it. So why does visual literacy matter right now? Because generative AI is rapidly changing how we create. For the first time, just about anyone can harness technology to produce sophisticated, high-quality images. No formal art training required. This democratization of creativity is thrilling. It breaks down barriers and invites people to experiment. However, the common pitfall is that many rely on guesswork or one-size-fits-all prompts. They type in general phrases like abstract art or cute cartoon character, and then wonder why the results feel flat or cookie-cutter. Visual literacy is what transforms your interactions with these AI models from trial and error experimentation into a purposeful, artist-like process. By learning the basic elements of art, like color, shape, texture, and the principles of design, like balance, contrast, and unity, you'll be able to tell the AI exactly what you want. This book was born out of real-life creative struggles, because many of us know what we want in our heads, but can't quite put it into the right words. Think back to the last time you typed a simple, one-line prompt and felt disappointed. Perhaps it was for a social media campaign, a personal art project, or just casual fun. Regardless, the sense of missed potential can be disheartening. But that moment of frustration can actually be a turning point, the point where you realize there's a skill to be learned here, one that can open up a world of possibilities. Visual literacy is that skill. Once you master it, you'll find yourself creating images that not only look more polished, but also carry the exact vibe, energy, and story you intended. Over the book, we'll embark on a step-by-step journey to build and refine your visual vocabulary. We'll start by exploring the fundamentals: how text-to-image models interpret prompts, the basic building blocks of art, and the nuances that make certain styles instantly recognizable. Then, we'll dive into more advanced techniques: how to describe textures and special effects, how to mix and match styles for unique outcomes, and how to iterate quickly when the AI's first results aren't quite right. Along the way, you'll find stories, examples, and exercises that turn abstract ideas into practical applications. By the end of this book, you will have gained not just theoretical knowledge, but a tangible skill set that lets you communicate with AI models as fluently as you chat with a friend.